Iggy Azalea talks to 17 magazine and finally dishes about the work she's had done to her face and body, adding that to deny the surgery rumors would be lame. We previously learned that Iggy got a boob job, a chin implant, and a nose job, and now she's laying it all on the table because, as she says, it's not really that big of a deal. Iggy opened up about her procedures for the September issue of 17 magazine, saying, quote, "I'm not denying it. Denying it is lame. I don't think you should be ashamed if you made a change to yourself, which is why I've spoken about the changes I've made, like with my breasts." Us Weekly previously confirmed back in May that Iggy had indeed had plastic surgery. Iggy went on to say that the decision to get plastic surgery, as well as the decision to live with your flaws, are not easy decisions to make, saying, "Your perception of yourself can change a lot over time, so I think it's important to wait and make sure it's the right choice. Plastic surgery is an emotional journey. It's no easy feat to live with your flaws and accept yourself, and it's no easy feat to change yourself. There are things that I didn't like about myself that I changed through surgery. There are other things I dislike, but I've learned to accept. It's important to remember you can't change everything. You can never be perfect." There's no verdict yet on the authenticity of Iggy's famous backside, real or injected, but either way, it looks great. And if she's happy with herself, then it's not all that matters. What do you guys think about Iggy's comments on plastic surgery? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, and then click right over here to check out the latest episode of Debatable, where the craziest what the VMA moment is determined. Thanks for watching Clevver News. I'm Miriam Issa, and I'll see you guys next time. For more Debatable, click to the left to check out who we crowned as the best twerker, or click to the right for the debate on which celeb would make the best husband.